sits on the throne, who is infinite in wisdom, and who stands alone. We have gathered here in earnest expectation, petitioning heaven, casting aside condition, cognition, and every inhibition, standing in position for an intervention and a divine revelation. Stories abound about the Ancient of Days, where logic was defied and classical science stood amazed, where men and women of God faced adversity with courage unfazed, and in one accord, voices were raised in praise. This was a time when religion didn't serve as a crutch, and the effective fervent prayer of the righteous truly availed much. History would validate these days of old, where the hearts of men waxed warm before growing cold. But in everything, there are seasons and change, and under this dispensation, promises must come of age. How fortunate it is to be alive in a time like this. We are all instruments in God's divine business. Can I get a witness? Let this be placed on record. The body of Christ can't and would no longer be ignored. All that the locust, the caterpillar, the cankerworm, and the palmerworm have destroyed would be restored. Oh, Alpha and Omega, lift the veils, remove the Maya. These are the days of Elijah, of Moses, Ezekiel, and Isaiah. Can these dry bones live? Oh yes, indeed. All that we need is faith, the size of a mustard seed. My brothers and sisters, I clamor. It is time to battle. Don the full armor, for we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities and powers. Now stand in your divine authority, for we were never given the spirit of fear. As we saturate the atmosphere, we nullify the prince of the power of the air. Nothing contrary to God's divine purpose can coexist in here. What was done before would be done again. I decree and declare that the heavens are open. Holy Spirit descend as we submit to only Him who is the beginning and the end. Let the world take note as heaven touches earth. God emissaries and heirs are poised and ready to give birth. Angelic visitations, dreams, and visions are only a fraction of the inundation to be witnessed by this generation. This is what it means by thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. All who have labored, it was never in vain. This is a time of the harvest, of breakthroughs, of increase, of divine favor. 2020 is upon us, it is time to reign. So let the sicknesses, diseases, pain and tears cease. Rejoice, celebrate, give thanks as we enter an era of divine acceleration, momentum, and increase. The race was never for the swiftest, but those who endure to the end. As the heavens rend, let your arms extend. Receive the anointing, allow and transcend. Isn't this what you came for? Can you feel the stirring in your core from the outpour? I implore, mount up with wings like eagles. Now, soar, reclaim dominion. It's time for unhindered manifestation, provision, blessing without limitation, assertion, dispersion, and divine expression. Walk in your full mandate. Let that frequency resonate. The enemy is about to be checkmate as we permeate, penetrate, and infiltrate nation by nation and state by state. Let it be known who we are. Let your voices be heard near and far as we continue to marinate in God's reservoir. The body of Christ is lifting the bar. Who's laughing now, huh? Watch as we shift the paradigm, precept upon precept, line upon line, as we stand under an open heaven. Let it be known